G'day Beaks, Tech here. I've had a couple of eye operations and now back on deck again. I've haven't had the time or the effort to do much video editing. I've got a number of videos that I took before and during the operation when I was able to get out of the house, being housebound or that I couldn't drive for a week. So I'll be starting to upload again very shortly. Tech's apiary sites are situated in the southeast of Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Please like, subscribe and click the bell to my channel to help it grow. Thanks for watching.